Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to activate your GCash AMEX Virtual Pay. It's super easy. Just open the GCash app, log in and go to Profile and click on My Linked Accounts and click Amex Virtual Pay. Don't forget to enter your email address to receive OTPs for secure transactions. Now your American Express virtual card is activated successfully. Before using your card, make sure you have enough GCash balance. Tap Get New Card and you'll instantly get your Amex card number, CVV, and expiry date now. You're all set to shop online, pay for subscriptions like Netflix and Spotify, and even make purchases on Amazon and eBay. If this helped, don't forget to like and share.